Hi everyone, my name is Rifki Al-Adli, and today I would like to share my opinion about smoking in campus area. In my opinion, smoking should not be allowed on campus. Smoking is bad for our health. It is not only dangerous for the person who smokes, but also for other people around them. The smoke can make people cough, feel dizzy, or even get sick. Our campus should be a clean and healthy place. We come here to study, play, and learn new things, not to smell cigarettes. Smoke. When someone smokes, the air becomes dirty and uncomfortable. It also makes other students lose focus during class. If smoking is banned, our campus will be a better place. Everyone can breathe fresh air, and feel safe. It also teaches students to live a healthy life and respect others. So, inclusion. I believe smoking should not be allowed in the campus area. Let's keep our campus clean, healthy, and smoke free for everyone. Thank you for listening. I'm Rifki Awadli, and have a nice day. See you. Hello everyone. My name is Rifki Aladli. Today, I'm going to talk about adverbs of frequency. Basically, this topic is about how often we do something, like always, sometimes, or never. What are adverbs of frequency? So, first, what are what are adverbs of frequency? They are words that describe how often something happens. We usually use them when we talk about habit, routines, or activities we often do. For example, I always check my phone in the morning. Importance. Why are they important? Because they make our sentence clearer and more meaningful. When we use these adverbs, people can understand exactly how often something happens. Definition. In short, adverb of frequency are words like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Each one shows a different level of how often something happens. For example, I never drink coffee at night. Types. There are two types of adverb frequency. The first one is definite frequency, which gives an exact time like twice a week. The second one is indefinite frequency, which doesn't give an exact time like often or usually. Frequency chart. This is frequency chart. Here's a chart that shows how often something happens from 100% to 0%. For example, always meaning 100% and never means 0%. It never happens at all. Position in sentence. Now, let's see where we can put adverbs or frequency in a sentence. Usually, we place them before the main verb or after the verb to be. Example. Example for position. For example, we say, she always drink coffee. The adverbs come before the verb. But we say, they are usually on time. The adverbs comes after the verb are. With modal verbs. When we use modal verbs, like can, will, or must, the adverbs goes in the middle after the modal and before the main verb. For example, you can always call me. Common mistakes. A common mistake is putting the adverb at the end of the sentence. For example, I go to school always. That's wrong. It should be I always go to school. Formal versus informal use. Informal writing we have to be careful using adverb or frequency. So the tone stays polite and clear. But in speaking, it's okay to sound more natural. Question from. We can also make question with this adverb by using how often, do atau does, subject, verb. For example, how often do you exercise? Answering question. And of course, we can answer like this. How often do you study English? I usually study every day. See, it's easy. Expression of time. This is expression of time. Sometimes we use adverbs or frequency together with time expression like every day, once a week, or twice a month, This makes the sentence sound more make complete. Example: always, usually, often. Let's look at some example. Always means 100%. Like she always arrive early. Usually means most of the time. I usually study at night. And often means quite a lot. They often play football. Example, sometimes, rarely, and never. Next, sometimes mean occasionally. We sometimes watch movie. Rarely means not very often. He rarely eat fast food. And never means not at all. I never drink soda. Positive sentence. In positive sentence, adverbs of frequency show good or natural habits. For example, she always smile or I usually cook dinner. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, they show action that don't happen often or at all. For example, I never eat junk food and they rarely go out at night. Conclusion. So, to sum up, adverb of frequency are very useful to show how often action happen. They make our sentence clearer, more natural, and easier to understand. Thank you. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.